The battle for Southeast St. Mary has taken another twist with new allegations that Jamaica Labour Party's candidate Dr. Norman Dunn does not qualify to contest the seat.
The People's National Party, through its affiliate, the Patriots, in a statement today, contends that based on the country's constitution, Dr. Dunn, who holds government contracts, does not qualify to contest the October 30 by-election.
But the Jamaica Labour Party has since fired back, arguing that its candidate is qualified and ready. We have more in this report. In 2 weeks, people living in Southeast St. Mary will vote for a new MP, which is why in recent days, both political parties have intensified campaigning, not only in the constituency, but they've been engaged in a war of words, first about vote buying, and then came the issue of the citizenship status of PNP candidate Dr. Shane Alexis. Now the PNP is questioning whether the JLP's candidate Dr. Norman Dunn is qualified to contest the seat. In a release Friday, the PNP pointed to Section 42 of the Jamaican Constitution, which among other things states that no person shall be qualified to be elected member of the House of Representatives if that person is a party to or a partner in a firm or a director or manager of a company which has any contract with the government of Jamaica and has not published a notice in the Gazette within 1 month before the day of the election. The PNP Patriots knows that Dr. Dunn is a shareholder and director of several entities which hold contracts with the government of Jamaica through the National Health Fund's Drugs for the Elderly program JADEP and other NHF drug dispensary programs. The opposition wants the JLP to provide the evidence that its candidate has complied with this constitutional requirement. Otherwise, the PNP says the EOJ should seek the advice of the Solicitor General of Jamaica on the validity of Dr. Dunn's nomination. The JLP has since responded, charging that its candidate is qualified and ready. In a statement, the party said the PNP's assertions fails on 2 points. According to JLP General Secretary Dr. Horace Chang, Dr. Norman Dunn does not have any contract with the government for or on account of the public service. He further notes that the National Health Fund NHF is a corporate body that can sue and can be sued, which means for the purposes of the Constitution, it is not part of the public service. Additionally, he posits the law allows for Dr. Dunn to make a declaration within 30 days of the election date, meaning the JLP argues occurring inside the period of time before the day of the election. He says the only candidate who is Jamaican will bring prosperity to the people of Southeast St. Mary is Dr. Norman Dunn. So how will the PNP respond?